Oh, Scyrox, oh, please give me another great mouse. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Scyrox V8. And I just unboxed the Scyrox V6. Very beautiful. Very awesome. Feels great. It's like an X3 without the bad. Sorry, Pulsar, but that's how I view it. It's the box. Pretty. Pretty. It's got a cool little trick up its sleeve. Up its sleeve. One more time for me. It's got a cool trick up its sleeve. All right. We didn't even need the scissors for this. 36 grams of love. Alakazam, Ukadaboo. Here we go. This mouse, I hope, isn't poo. Is it the same mouse, just different specs? No, it's not. Oh, man, that hump's way different. Yeah. Okay, cool. Whoa, hey. That's cozy. Got to put skates on this one? I do my skates on the unbox. I'm going to do the skates later. I don't want you guys to have to watch me fail putting skates on. Let me get this the fuck out of the box. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay, we got cord dongle again. I'm going to test the blue one first, the V6 first. As promised. Man, this cord's even stiffer. Like, how is that even possible? Like, it's just so stiff. Okay. Dongle. Cord. It's dumpy boy, all the rest of this stuff. Instruction booklet. Putting that back in the box for us all. Yeah. We got some skates. I'm going to leave these out. Looks like I got dot skates on there too. They include a ring skate. Thank you. Next time, put it on your fucking self. I don't like doing that because I screw it up every time. Gentlemen, obviously on your V6 you did too. They put the skates on this one for me. They screwed up the ring skate too. It's crooked. Check that out. Gorgeous. Okay, anyways, there we go. That's the unboxing here. Get this stiff cord. My God, this thing is just like a rock, man. Holy shit. All right, let's get this back in the box here. Kabang, kaboom, kablamo. What a cool little box they have here. What a great presentation. I like that. I think they deserve some praise on that. Coming onto the scene raw. I wonder how much extra we pay for that, though. If it's $1 or $2, awesome. Charge me the $1 or $2. Help this resale. You know what I mean? If I ever sell this down the road, it's going to help that. All right, FragWatch out, boys. I think I might end the live stream and restart the live stream in a little bit here. Going to go spend some time with my wife. Yeah, sound good? Excellent. I'll come back in about an hour. Yeah, we'll start the stream again. All right, thanks, guys. This is awesome. I'll get these videos posted hopefully tonight. Catch you guys later.